Yeah. So pull back.
My
and
ear. What was that?
It's just the wood squeaking.
We're making a panel in that tiny shed.
I'll tell you one thing, I'm not going to employ you as a builder. Nice shot. Finally we got
Definitely not on the line.
Hold this.
You're like a young Ron Swanson.
Right, this time you'll saw it all then.
Four minutes and a half.
What, to cut that?
Yep, this was 15 seconds.
I don't even know how to explain what you actually do. You just...
I told you, you're Ron freaking Swanson
Well, no,
Jr.
My mum can do that as well. Anyone can do it.
Except me.
Yeah. That's because you're incompetent.
I'm a what?
You're incompetent.
I'm incompetent.
Yeah.
Maybe I was just made for labs, not for woodwork. I'm sorry. Okay, so now that Andrew's finishing up taking care of the boards and putting them on the future climbing board in the shed, I have to choose of these holes that we bought that just came today, which ones would be good for feet, which ones for handholds, and don't forget that we are going to be in a very inclined scenario, as well as color code them basically. Let's get this done.
Well,
And it's also color separate.
this is a hand. That's a huge thing. That's got to be a hand, isn't it? So you need to keep a lot of pressure on there, otherwise it's just going to spin. Go. There we go, well done. This is my undercut, so this is going to be one of the nicest holes on here. Good?
Yeah. I'll put it up.